हेलो एवरीवन, यू आर वाचिंग एंटरटेनमेंट लाइव एज वेल एज एबीपी लाइव। यहाँ पर हम लोग बैंगलोर में हैं। दिस वाज सच अ ग्रैंड इवेंट, प्लस प्रमोटिंग कल्चर इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन ऑल द इंटरव्यूज आई विल डू टुडे, बिकॉज representing India in a film, I think that's huge.
Absolutely, I completely agree. I think any movie which is not the discotheques and going out foreign locations, I think talking about our roots, about our culture is so important. That's what makes us who we are. And be it our gods, be it our Indian stories, be it our traditional stories, I think it should reach out to the world, not only just to a certain community, but to all the communities, because that's what makes us who we are.
Can you tell us something about your character? Because we just saw you in the song and it was so mesmerizing to see you over there.
Well, it's a deity called Guliga Daiva, which is a very aggressive god who eats chicken, who's fighting, and he's very loud. He's flying. I think it was a difficult role to play. When Sudhir sir asked me to be a part of this film, I was not too sure because I did not know much about Guliga Daiva, and I did look up what was happening and what read a bit about him. And Sir sent us some references of how Guliga Daiva would dance, and Ashutosh Arya helped us put this choreography together. It was a divine experience. I'm not a follower of Guliga, but I think when I started performing it, one thing I did, and I would like to tell it to everyone, is I prayed to Guliga by saying, I'm here not knowing who you are, but I'm here to portray
Giving my
your character.
100%.
I'm here to portray your story. Come into me and now take up from there. And you will not believe, ma'am, when I was dancing, there's a ring that the Deva holds and he shakes in anger. And I do not know what happened to me at that time.
The
It was a
complete divine energy.
divine experience. And I told sir after that, I said, I can't touch these rings anymore because, I can't shoot with them. Then he made it into a thermocol pieces. But I think it was a beautiful experience. I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about. Though I shot for it almost 1.5 years back, but I think it's a blessing that I get to play this role.
Apart from the film, I'd like to ask you one thing. What is the secret of your fitness? Because no one can right now imagine or even guess your correct age. Although it is there on Wikipedia and everywhere, but what is that secret to having such a fit, lifestyle body?
Well, just keep dancing, and I think dancing keeps you happy. Dancing keeps you energetic. It keeps you young. It keeps your body good. So always keep dancing.
You've also performed, if I'm not wrong, in front of Queen Elizabeth.
Yes, we have done some shows in England. Yes.
Okay, also you have worked with Hima ji.
Of course, that's my
How was
show for the
it?
past 10 years. We are doing a show called Namami Gange, where she plays Ganga and I play Lord Shiva. And their beautiful relationship that is there is shown through that musical, choreographed by Mr. Bhushan Lakhandri sir. And I think it's a divine experience to work with Hemaji. I every time tell her that if Ganga would come down on earth, she would look like you. And it's beautiful because she's dedicated, not just rehearsing for a few minutes, but hours together. And I think that's what makes her so unique and so
It
wonderful.
is very difficult even when you are a political figure and then
Yeah,
the
to put
dream girl
all
of
together
Bollywood or
is very
India.
difficult. But I remember she's telling me, "Oh, we must rehearse more. We must rehearse." I said, "Ma'am, we have finished rehearsal. Is it done?" No, no, we must rehearse more. We must rehearse more. I think that dedication, after reaching that point, still having that willpower to do more, I think speaks highly of her as an actress and as a dancer.
Okay, last but not the least, here also we were truly wishing for Dharamji's speedy recovery. Right
Yes, we
now,
are.
the internet is fully flooded with prayers, messages, worships for his better health, plus some rumors. So, what would you like to say for Dharamji's health and the fans who are very much curious, very much praying?
Well, I would like to say, please keep praying for his health, and I hope I can see him for our Christmas show that we're going to be having next month, and for the New Year parties that we have. He would always come for all the events that Himaji would organize, and he would be there for my rehearsal also to watch it sometimes. I hope I can have him back. It would be so nice.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
being here, giving your time out. All the very best for the upcoming project.
Thank you.
Thank you.